Yo people, alright, so we're back with another tutorial today, and today I just want to teach you guys how I did this double exposure shot right here. So basically, I recently uploaded this double exposure shot over on my Instagram, and a lot of you like it, so I'm just gonna teach you guys today on how I did this. Yeah, let's get right into it, and we'll be using Photoshop. Of course, we'll be using Photoshop, remember, right? So let's get right into it. I just want to say I'm having a bit of the flu. Just, sorry if you can hear me sneezing. It is, alright? So, okay, these are the two which I start with, this video and this photo. So let's start. Okay, let me just go full screen. Okay, so basically what I did was, so first step, okay, it's a step-by-step tutorial, so you just have to follow along. So it's a very simple edit and you just have to follow along, alright? First thing first you must do is you must create a double layer. Okay, you create a copy layer right here. Alright, then after that, let's call it me too, alright? And after that, then you select me sub. It's technically you just keyboard shortcut W, which is the select tool, which is right here. So you just click that W is fine. Then to increase the size, alright, you just press the open close bracket and open. To decrease is the open bracket, alright? Okay. Alright, then you just select me out. Okay, I'm just gonna select me out. Okay, if it happens to select more than me out, that is fine. Okay, if you get access, just double click it. Let me just use the brush tool just to brush some of the excess right here, something like that. I'm just for tutorial sake. I will just do a quick one for you guys. Sorry if my English and the way I'm speaking is a bit off today, because I just woke up and I just had the most tiring week. I'm sorry. Alright. Anyways, if you guys didn't know, you can just drag a video onto Photoshop just like that. Alright. Okay, after you drag your video into Photoshop, basically what you do is you just just decrease the opacity right here so that you can see where you want to place what. So I think 60% is fine. Okay, so for me, I wanted to place the leaves around my head area there. As you can see, the leaves right around here, if I remember the last edit. Yep, that should be fine. Okay, then you just press enter, and that's fine. Then after that, okay, so next thing you do is you click on this, you click on the video there, then command click the mask layer right here at the bottom, then press this mask icon again, then voila, you just created a double exposure edit. Okay, but the thing is, you want it to make it a video, so you must take the next step. Alright, so what you do is basically you go window, then you go timeline. Then with timeline, you open this up. So basically, if you ever used Premiere Pro before, so it has Photoshop also comes with a timeline. So this is what you get. And so okay, you can see that the video is playing. Alright, so basically I just skipped a bit just because I was taking quite long with the rendering, I guess. And so I just trim it down to 10 seconds because I think 10 seconds will be just fine for Instagram, because we're going to be posting this on Instagram, right? So basically what I did was the video segment, I just trim it down to just the parts I want from the time lapse. And so we have two parts which I like. And basically what I did next was, after that, I clicked this icon right here, which will give you all the transitions. And I think crossfade is fine if you want to put in between the two timelines. Crossfade is perfectly fine. Okay. Then after the words, you must click this setting icon right here. Then right now you're putting on 25% resolution. Just when you're working on this edit, just work on 25% resolution first and just let it render fully so that it wouldn't take such a long time. Then afterwards, then when you're gonna actually you're fine with it and everything, then you put it on 100%, or else the rendering would take quite a long time and the whole editing process becomes frustrating. Alright, so there is this one part which I did with the edit, because I want to showcase that it is a hat. So that's what I did. Okay, and that still is me. I'm just gonna brush it back out. Yep, that's perfectly fine. Okay, so right now, oh yeah, let me just remember to put back your opacity of your video back to 100%. Alright, so it's clear. You must check this loop playback. You must click it and it must be in check so that it will play in a loop, and you know, it's just like a never ending cycle. When people are like looking at this edit, it will keep on going and going. So that's what it does. Yay, alright, the rendering is done. So this is how it looks like for now. Alright, so the final step is of course exporting and rendering out so that you can post it on Instagram. Alright, so here's what you do. So you go file, then same thing, you go export, but you know how usually you export your images with either export as or save for web legacy. What you didn't know is at the bottom there's a part called render video. So you just press render video right there. This is for you to export out videos through Photoshop. How cool is that? Alright, so this, if you want to export out videos, you just go to render video. So right now they're asking me to name my okay, so I'm just gonna name it tutorial edit. Alright, and just put then tune resolution. Then you just select it at the area basically where you want to save, select the folder. Then after that, format is H.264. Alright, then the preset is high quality. Custom, then you put at the, so it's just 1080 by 1350. Then my frame rate is 25 and 25, which is perfectly fine because my video is around 25 frames per second. So then after that, you just render. Then this will pop out. Alright, then it will say exporting video. Then after you export the video, then you should get basically this. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you guys learned something. So sorry for the way I might be speaking throughout the video because I do have flu and I just kind of wake up because this week was a long week for me, but I knew I had to dish out some content for you guys to watch, and I'm just happy to make and teach something new for you guys to learn every week. And yeah, right now I think this is my 6th week in a row where I've been posting a YouTube video, and I couldn't be happier, and I just don't want to end this streak. That's why I tried my best whenever I can just to dish out content for you guys when I'm free, even though I'm quite busy, alright? But nevertheless, I enjoy making YouTube videos, alright guys? Anyways, please show me your appreciation by giving me a like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.